Have itchy eyes? Spring got you a little down? Try this recipe with beautiful chamomile essential oil.